I feel like that's fair.
This is the Fundamentals of Digital Systems class, and we teach everything from binary through transistor level design up to the CPU level. So by the end of the class, they're able to build themselves a simple processor and run a program on it. It's one of the few classes where there's no exams, and you're doing it in small chunks. We do start off really at the smallest level, designing at the transistor level, and we build up gradually through the semester.
Oh, it's Right now we're kind of finishing up our CPU design, which is like basically the brain of a computer. The work we're doing right now is mainly planning and doing things before our project really begins. When we start working together, that's when we start asking more individualized questions. We start looking at how our own implementations and designs and code fit into the grand scheme of how are we going to really make this thing work.
I started tracing it, and then I saw what you were doing with this.
In the group, they get to talk it through and explain it to maybe one group member doesn't understand it, and so they all share their knowledge and the pieces that they already understand.
When there's so many moving pieces and so many different components, it could take one thing to completely mess up the rest of it. And sometimes you just need a fresh set of eyes. Sometimes you need to just talk about it. Maybe you're going down a rabbit hole. Instead, you can just kind of talk it out, see how other people are implementing things, maybe get ideas from that, and really be able to collaborate together and really work together in a way that's both individual for your project, but also definitely a group-based assignment. It's been really cool to see how much our class really does interact and how applicable it is to the real world, especially talking to engineers outside of class and people that are actually in industry. It's really interesting how much this class is really going to help later in my career.